What if you could describe a creative project in plain English and have an AI build the entire thing, storyboard, footage, editing, captions, final render, without touching a single timeline or writing a single prompt? That is exactly what YouArt Agentic AI Studio does, and after spending real time inside it, I think this is one of the most genuinely different creative platforms I have seen this year. Most AI creative tools give you a generation box. You prompt, it generates, you take the output and go edit it somewhere else. YouArt gives you AI agents, intelligent creative agents that act as your designer, your editor, and your director simultaneously inside one platform, running the entire creative pipeline end to end. You describe what you want. The agents handle everything else. Storyboard, generation, editing, captioning, and final render, all inside one agentic workflow. Let me walk you through what that actually looks like in practice. Start with the storyboard agent. You give it a single logline, one sentence describing your video idea. The agent turns that into a fully shootable storyboard complete with shot numbers, framing directions, camera movements, durations, and transitions. What used to take a director and production team hours to plan now comes back in minutes from a single sentence. For creators and marketers who want to move from idea to production fast, this alone changes the workflow completely. Then generation happens. YouArt supports multiple AI models for both image and video, including advanced models like Nano Banana and Sora 2. And here is something important: every single node in your project regenerates independently. If one shot does not look right, you fix that shot. You do not redo the entire video. For anyone who has lost hours regenerating entire sequences because one clip was off, this is a significant improvement. The editing is where YouArt does something I have not seen elsewhere. The agents operate a full timeline editor through 26 native editing actions. You describe the cut you want and the timeline executes it. No manual scrubbing, no layer management. Just describe the edit and watch it happen. The agents can also write custom visual effects on the fly motion design that goes far beyond preset buttons, generated dynamically based on what your specific project needs. The UGC Showcase feature is built specifically for product marketing. Upload a single product image, and YouArt generates multiple native feeling short videos across different personas and scenes.
Just finished a killer session. My secret? This blueberry rush.
Instead of hiring multiple creators to produce UGC content for different audience segments, the platform handles the variation automatically from one asset. For brands and e-commerce businesses, this is a serious time and budget-saving capability. Captions are handled automatically, producing word-level subtitles in seconds, with 6 animated preset styles available in one click. Multi-user collaboration stays perfectly synchronized with no overwrites and no turn taking multiple people working on the same project simultaneously without conflicts. The agents also learn your style over time. Upload skill files that teach the agents your preferences and brand guidelines. The system learns from how you actually create the choices you make, the direction you consistently take, becoming more aligned with your specific creative identity over time. Here is who this is built for: content creators who want high-quality video without spending days in an editing timeline, marketers who need scalable visual content across multiple formats from single assets, filmmakers who want to move from concept to finished edit faster than any traditional workflow allows. YouArt brings together image generation, video generation, storyboarding, timeline editing, motion effects, captioning, and rendering into one agentic creative studio where you describe what you want and the agents execute it. Link is in the description. Head to YouArt AI and give the storyboard agent a real idea you have been sitting on. That first output is usually the moment it clicks.